what you gotta do, cause tell me why you pull me over.
Listen,
So you can hit people? That makes that car. What is his problem with me? Why does he have to touch me?
On the 24th of February, 2023, a Boynton Beach officer stopped a vehicle for running a stop sign. That lawful stop, under Terry v. Ohio, required only reasonable suspicion. The driver immediately demanded a reason before producing her license.
It's on 15 court now. Final is on 15 court. Florida tag Papa Charlie Bravo November 62 PCB N62. Gray Infinity.
Bravo 155194 300 Northeast 15th Court. From the city show.
Hey, what are you doing? Stay in the vehicle. You're being pulled over. It's a traffic stop.
You saying for what? I'm giving you your answer. License, registration, insurance?
What you pull me over for?
License, provide me your license. Provide me your license and I'll tell you exactly why. Provide me your license, I'll tell you exactly why.
You have to tell me why you pull me over.
Provide me your license, I'll tell you exactly why.
What you pull me over for?
Provide me your driver's license
Tell me
and
why
I'll
you
tell
pull
you
me over and
exactly why.
I'll give you my license.
Provide me your driver's license. You're not doing that?
No.
You're not doing that?
You heard what I said. I'm not doing that.
Ma'am, I'm asking you one more time. Okay?
Tell me why you pull me over.
Identify yourself.
My name is Whitney Pandal. Tell me why
You
you
have
pull
a
me
driver's
over.
license, ma'am.
Tell me why you pull me over.
License, please.
Please tell me why you pull me over.
License, please.
Tell me why you pull me over.
License, ma'am. I'm gonna have to do.
That's
listen,
what you gotta
hold
do.
on.
Florida Statute 322.15 imposes an unconditional duty to display a license on demand. That duty is not conditioned on receiving an explanation first. Under Pennsylvania v. Mims, the officer may also lawfully order the driver out of the vehicle. The refusal to comply was the legal trigger for every escalation that followed. After sustained non-compliance, the officer moved to detain a lawful escalation. The driver physically pulled away. That satisfies Florida Statute 843.02. Resisting without violence requires only physical opposition, no striking necessary. Florida courts interpret 843.02 broadly pulling away from a lawful arrest qualifies.
Tell me why you pull me over.
Listen, okay.
That's fine. She's home.
Do you?
Like, I'm asking you one more
Do
time.
you, big boy?
Ma'am, do you have your driver's license?
Do you, big
You have
boy?
your driver's license?
Do you, big boy?
She's
Okay.
home. She has a driver's license.
Do you, big boy? Why you arresting me?
Because you're not identifying yourself.
My name's Whitney Pandal. Let me go.
Don't pull away from
You
me, okay?
don't have to touch her like
Ma'am,
that, sir.
back away.
Why
Back
do I have
away.
to back
Back
up?
away.
Why?
Because you directed my
Why?
attention, ma'am. Back away.
Why? I'm not
Back away.
touching
Fight
you.
real
I'm not
crime.
touching you,
You
and look
don't
how
have
you're
nothing-
touching
you don't have
her.
nothing serious to do. Let me go,
Yo,
bro.
relax.
Chill.
Relax.
Let me go.
Relax.
Let me
Relax.
go.
Relax.
Chill, chill,
Let
chill,
me
chill.
go.
Relax.
Look what you're doing,
Ma'am,
sir.
relax.
Look what you're
Stop.
doing.
Stop.
That's what you get paid for.
Let me go.
Ma'am, I'm
That's what
telling
you
you,
get paid
stop.
for,
And I
sir.
said, let me go.
Ma'am,
That's what you
stop.
get paid for, sir. What did she do?
Stop.
When you get pulled, the police tells you what you did. So what do you do? What do you do? What do you do?
Ooh.
What did she do?
Ooh.
What did she do?
You feel like you got power?
What did she do?
That stroke your ego.
Excuse me, sir. What did she do?
You want to send me more units, please?
What did
That
she
stroke your
do?
ego?
What did she do?
That
What did
stroke
she
your
do,
ego?
sir?
Unit 51.
That make you feel good, Dickens?
Cause she's home. What did she do, sir?
That make you feel good?
What did you do? What did she do, sir?
Fight real crime.
For her to get
Do
pulled.
something serious.
What did she do, sir? Oh my God!
Hey!
Don't you?
You're under arrest too.
You under arrest for what? You just hit me.
You're under arrest too.
You just hit
Let her
me.
go.
Hey! Why are you hitting me?
Hey!
You're under arrest too.
For what? What am I under arrest
Obstruction.
for? Obstruction. Are you serious? He just arrested me for nothing.
He just hit her and dragged her and put her to the floor.
Let go of me, sir. Cause
Relax.
I have nothing to do, and you broke my nail.
Relax.
What's the matter? He's not answering nobody, and he just hit me.
Relax.
So you can hit people? You can hit people, sir?
You like you in uniform because I would spit right in
You can hit people, sir?
Do what you must.
You can hit
Do what you
people,
must.
sir? You can hit people? As a police officer for no reason, because I wasn't even here. You can hit people?
Let me go. Now tell me why you pulled me over.
A bystander approached the active arrest scene, recording on her phone. The First Amendment protects recording police in public, Glick versus Cuniff, 2011. That right is not absolute. Officers may establish a lawful perimeter around active scenes. She was ordered to step back. She did not comply. She was arrested for obstruction. Under 843.02, obstruction requires active interference, not merely standing nearby. The officer confirmed recording from the sidewalk would have been lawful, proximity was the issue. Whether her specific distance met the criminal threshold remains the weakest point of this prosecution.
He literally hit me, and I know you don't, man.
Come on.
Go. And I wasn't even the person he pulled over, so he
10-15,
hit me.
two,
Why did you pull me over?
Let's go.
Why did you pull me over?
Let's go.
I'm gonna know that, right? So you still ain't telling me why you pulled me over. Let me go.
Let's go. Stop resisting.
What the f is your problem? You still can't tell me why you pulled me over. What? I make your dick hard or something? Let me go.
Hey,
He can't tell me why he pulled me over. He can't tell me. You didn't even read me my Miranda rights. Got me? All y'all getting rid of. Boynton PD. Don't touch me. I want a woman to touch me. Don't touch me. Goofy.
Listen, if I ask for your information, you provide me your information.
Okay, you didn't tell me why you pulled me over. If I asked you why you pulled me over, you tell me why you pulled me over. Did you read me my Miranda rights before you put? Yes, you. That's the law.
No.
What's wrong with you? It's okay though. I'll be at Boynton PD tomorrow. Chickens.
It's Jennings.
Don't give a f what it is. I don't want to respect you. You ain't nobody to respect.
You ain't got to.
Okay, so why you talking to me?
You talking to me.
All right, cool. Why you pull me? Why you pull me over?
For a traffic violation.
What is it?
Stop sign.
Stop sign? Where's the stop sign? What stop sign did I miss?
Back there.
So why you didn't pull me back there?
Because I was catching up to you.
Okay.
Alright, 319.
Back up for a traffic stop.
Yeah.
That makes that card. That's what it does. Let me go, bro. Yeah, I got old enough.
What the hell was that?
I'm 22. Get these cuffs off of me, bro. And he dragged my girlfriend, he put her on the floor. Cause that make his hard. I just got off of work. Let me go, bro. Okay, let me, she can search me, let me go. What is his problem with me? Why does he have to touch me? Okay, but can you tell me why does he have to touch me if she's searching me?
You stop pulling away, then you
Let me go.
turn around.
Face
Fuck.
for me.
Thank you.
Lean against the car for me, alright? Do you have anything on me that's gonna stick me?
There's nothing on
No,
me.
you have nothing on you?
11, if you have any other comments, you can cancel.
Do better, bro. Go fight real crime.
Face the car for me.
521 copy.
Go fight real crime. Do better.
Yeah, man.
Do better. I can't believe you guys just stop me. I'll be at Boynton PD tomorrow.
Simple. 20.
Got 8 fucking police officers at my house. Cause I put in at my house for a traffic stop. Then you wanna grab my girlfriend and bring her to the floor? For a traffic stop? Be fucking for real. Do better. Do better. Do better. All of y'all, do better. Go fight real crime.
Charlie Bravo, November 6-2.
Don't have any offense. None of that. I don't want to talk. I don't feel comfortable.
I didn't get any of her information yet. I didn't get none of the information.
Around
You're under arrest for obstruction, okay?
obstruction of
Because you were way
what?
too close to my traffic stop. You walked to my traffic stop.
I
told you to
was
back
far
up.
enough, sir,
The phone
where
was
you could
close
take
to
2
me.
steps away from me.
You shouldn't have been that close to me.
I was far enough for that. So that means hit me.
The woman's uncle arrives on scene and the officer tries to explain the situation.
I'm doing a traffic stop. The young lady operating this motor vehicle ran a stop sign, okay? Doing a legal traffic stop. She just up the vehicle. She says, oh, why you stop me? Why you stop me? Why you stop me? I said, identification, license, registration, insurance. She did not want to provide license, registration. She said, tell me first. I said, hey, provide me your information. I'll tell you exactly why I stopped you.
That's her mom on the phone.
She refused to provide the information. Next time this lady comes up within this close to me, I said, ma'am, back up. Redirecting my attention from this young lady right here. She continued, the woman with the white tank top. She continued to stay there and record in this close proximity, okay? The first one got arrested, and she's being under arrest too.
For what?
Obstruction.
Obstruction.
As officers search the back of the vehicle, they find a loaded handgun concealed in a backpack along with multiple rounds of ammunition.
The driver repeatedly claimed her Miranda rights were violated at the moment of handcuffing. Miranda v. Arizona requires the warning before custodial interrogation, not at arrest. No interrogation occurred, no Miranda violation. The arrest stands fully independent of that claim. The remedy for a Miranda violation is suppression of statements, not dismissal of charges. Officers searching the vehicle found a loaded handgun concealed in a backpack. Under Arizona versus Gant, a vehicle search incident to a lawful arrest is constitutionally valid. Florida Statute 790.01, carrying concealed without a license, is a third-degree felony. Whether a valid concealed carry permit existed determines whether firearms charges were filed. A routine stop for a sign violation escalated to potential felony exposure entirely preventably.
2324.
Tow? You got a tow coming?
Yeah. I call for the tow. I got a 0 right here.
You got a
Just
zero
signal
on here?
14. For units responding to Arthur Court, males advising the female is breaking a windshield with an object.
Okay. It's probably that one. That thing's open.
I'm not really sure. I didn't pull out the thing yet.
Probably LC29. 380. Probably it's in there.
break or a bad or
I'll be behind you.
Probably being difficult, not responding.
I got her ID right here. Perfect.
Just grab that. Bring that with you.
Yeah. Me or competing? All right.
At the station, the arresting officer gives the woman's friend a stern warning before releasing her to her father.
I'll let you talk to your dad in a few, okay? Do you understand what happened?
Would I be able to have another police officer here with you, like, explain it to me?
You said what?
Would I be able to have another police officer?
No, I'm the arresting officer. I was there.
But no one else could be around?
Cause I got.
No, you can explain it to me, no problem.
Listen, you want me to explain it?
Somebody else
You want
come
me to explain
around.
it? Yes or no?
You can explain it, yes.
Okay.
But can somebody else come around because I don't feel safe?
Alright, that's fine. Well, I'm gonna listen. So, if an officer's on a traffic stop, the officer's doing an investigation, you can't walk up on the officer.
Okay.
If you want to record, it's fine.
Yeah.
You do that from a distance,
Yeah.
not close proximity.
You remember when you went like that?
I'm sorry?
You remember when you went like that to me?
Like what?
You did this to me. Exactly when you went like that.
Okay.
I was far enough for you to go like that.
No, you
So I'm
still
asking
can't be-
how far can I be?
sidewalk,
Sidewalk?
not within that close proximity.
Okay, did not know that.
Well, now you do.
Did you guys let us know that? Did you
sorry?
take me on the sidewalk?
Well, I told you to step back. You're like, no, I can record. But
But
listen,
you didn't tell me to go to the sidewalk.
but listen, I got so much I'm dealing with. I did with her. I'm dealing with you.
That's fine.
Simply, you can record. It's fine, but it has to be from a safe distance.
Okay, no problem. If I was told to go to the sidewalk, I would have went to the sidewalk.
Well, I had so much going on with her, with you.
So what happens if someone hitting you?
I'm sorry?
Will a police officer grab
Oh
you?
yeah. Yeah.
Officer can grab you for no reason?
I gave you a command to do it, a lawful command, and you refuse to comply with the lawful command. Therefore, I grabbed you. I grabbed you. I told you.
You didn't let me know to be on the sidewalk. You just told me to be back, and I was back.
No, you didn't. So
I was
therefore,
back enough for you to go like this.
so therefore, since you were in that close proximity, right? I told you to step back, and you
How
didn't.
far am I?
And you're obstructing, therefore you place a red. But listen, I'll let you talk to your dad in a few, okay? Because he said he would talk to you. Just check to make sure it's what that is. Okay.
I also wanted to say I apologize. I was just upset and mad.
It's alright. Just realize that things can go bad. Like I told your dad, I understand that you want to know what's going on. You don't know what the hell is going on. You see your friend, you see your police, so you don't know what's going on.
As the officer speaks, the mother of the other woman arrives and demands to know what's going on.
You wanna trying to find out what's going on. But like the other officer told you, that close, I don't know you. I don't know your intentions. I don't know what you're about. I don't know. All right, you see that your friend is going wild. I understand that you want to try to calm her down. You want to calm her down.
I'm her mother. What's going on?
Whose mother?
Whitney's
The
mother.
other person.
Oh, let me say hold on. So I understand that you want to calm her down and everything, but it's like I don't know who you are. I don't know what your intentions are.
Can y'all tell me what's going on? My child never been arrested before in her life. Can
Okay,
you just tell me
so,
what's going on? I can't breathe
I got you. You need medical assistance? Okay. So I did a traffic stop on her, right? Immediately as I stopped the car, you guys take care. Immediately as I stopped the car, she jumps out the car, right? And then she's like, "Why are you behind me for?" I'm like, "My lights are on. This is a traffic stop." Okay. I asked for her information. She said, "Tell me why you stopped me." I said, "Ma'am, give me your license first. Give me your information. I don't know who you are." She's not willing to give her information. The next you know, this is her girlfriend or friend. Her girlfriend or friend. Well, me and her still talking and everything. And then her girlfriend or friend pulls up, got the cameras out and everything. Due to her not providing me her name, due to me not know what's going on, I go to detain her while I went to detain her. She's like pulling away, doing this and that. The next, you know, her friend is there. Her friend gets arrested too, and then
telling with me why my babies got arrested. You're not telling me.
I just told you.
No, for what? What is her charge?
Hold on. I gave you the whole story, but you're gonna know the charge is resisting arrest.
Okay. What does that mean for my child?
She'll be out soon.
Is she going to a gun club?
She went to gun club.
Oh my God.
Ma'am.
Why you took it that far? I know you. You're like the nicest cop I ever knew.
Well, listen, and then once you watch the body worn camera footage, ma'am, then you can see exactly why.
Oh my God, I just don't get it. That she could have went so much better than what it was. She was already somewhere.
Well, listen, so
she was already somewhere.
No,
she was in front of her people's house.
Exactly. The car just stopped there, but I already initiated a traffic stop.
I get it, but what I'm saying, like, you could have just killed it right there.
No, but then it's how she made it. She was like,
she said she didn't have a reason to be pulled over. What was the reason?
Exactly.
Stop?
She did not know that, and I was prepared to tell her.
What was the traffic stop?
Stop sign. That's it. Exactly.
It's just home, bro.
No, but she was driving. It wasn't like I just randomly pulled up behind her. She was driving.
A stop sign.
Officer grade, B-. Patient de-escalation, legally accurate conduct, and meaningful discretion in releasing the bystander. Deduction. The bystander was grabbed without a final verbal arrest, warning a procedural gap. Driver grade, D+. The refusal to produce a license, a clear statutory duty, initiated every subsequent charge. Physical resistance and a concealed firearm compounded the legal exposure significantly. Bystander grade, C-. Exercised the right to record correct, failed to comply with a lawful order incorrect. That failure, regardless of intent, provided sufficient legal grounds for the obstruction arrest. Lessons learned. 1. Produce identification immediately. Challenge unlawful stops through counsel, not at the scene. 2. The right to record does not override a lawful order to maintain a safe distance. 3. Miranda applies before interrogation, not at the moment of handcuffing. 4. Resisting a lawful detention converts a minor infraction into a criminal charge. 5. A concealed weapon in a stopped vehicle creates felony exposure regardless of who owns it. 6. Compliance at the scene preserves rights. Confrontation at the scene forfeits them. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to cover. Thank you for watching. Check out Street Bodycam for more police interaction content.